Hey, my name's Theo, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 proven ways that you can make money from home, or anywhere in the world for that matter. If you want to go on holiday for a week or 2 weeks or a month, if you want to work from your sofa or in the bath, don't do that though. My point is, anyone can do this. I did this many years ago. I started my own video production business and I had it for 15 plus years. It was amazing. Anyone can start doing this on YouTube, build up a brand, or anywhere for that matter, whether that's Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. My aim today in this video is to give you 5 ways that you can look at, and if you like the sound of them, you can start them today. So let's jump right in. So what is ChatGPT and AI, if you don't know what it is yet? AI is artificial intelligence. It's basically software that's designed to mimic human thinking and decision making. It's just like having a super smart assistant that can help with everything from writing to analyzing data in seconds. AI is going to help you in the way that it's automating tasks, the mundane tasks that no one really wants to do. So, whether perhaps that's writing a blog post, you can get AI to write you a blog post if you'd like to. And there are ways to make ChatGPT and AI more efficient or more human-like, but there's nothing like you writing it. So what I would recommend is you start writing it, you write the blog post and get AI to look over it and make improvements. That's what it's there for. So what is ChatGPT? It's one of these tools. It can answer questions and create content based on what you tell it. You can think of ChatGPT a bit like Siri or Alexa, but it's got the ability to help you to write anything, such as blog posts or YouTube scripts or product descriptions. You name it, it can probably do it. I use AI and ChatGPT almost daily to help me with just little tasks every day, just to help me out, especially with my content, with my YouTube and my video production. It really is an amazing way to save time, and this is where ChatGPT and AI is an incredible tool to save you time. Life is short. You want to save as much time as you can to live life and enjoy it, and that is where ChatGPT and AI will help you enormously. So look, we're going to start with something you might already be doing every day, and that's creating content. And I'm not talking about as a business or to build a brand. I'm talking about just on Facebook and sharing posts with your friends. You are essentially creating content, even at the most basic level, whether it's sharing a photo. So creating content using AI, whether it's a blog post or posting on Instagram or making a YouTube video, tools like ChatGPT are like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. So picture this, you're sitting there, you got brain fog, no idea what to post. So instead of staring at the screen like it's a black hole and not starting, you can go on ChatGPT and tell it, write a blog post. And boom, here we go. Look, ChatGPT is writing content. You can even tweak it to sound like you, but the hard part is done. So if you did want to go ahead and make this the easiest way possible, you can get ChatGPT to write it for you. You don't even need to write it yourself, but then you can tweak it to make it sound like you. So you always want to make sure to input your own thoughts, your style, your voice. It's really important. And this is the amazing thing. Businesses pay for these things. So you can use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer blog post writing or social media content or ad copy services, because they need fresh, engaging stuff all the time. And AI makes this quick. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments. I will try my best to help you out. Give it a quick like. It helps me grow enormously. A little controversial because, AI does create art and it can do it pretty incredibly. Just go and have a look over at Midjourney or something, it's mind-blowing what it can do. But if you're more of the creative type like me, AI can really help you out with this. Tools like Midjourney can turn your text prompts into beautiful art. All you do is type in a prompt just like these ones and it creates the most incredible art, and you can go with any kind of style. And then you can sell these on Etsy or Redbubble, or even license it on stock image sites. And the same goes for music. You can compose tracks, and you can be selling your own music on stock music sites without knowing a single chord. You can literally start this today and start making, even if it's not a lot of money, you can build it up and up and up. And if you're a new mum or stay-at-home mum, that is invaluable. So the next one is SEO services. And I know this probably doesn't sound very interesting. It probably sounds like only tech people know about, but just hear me out. Businesses need to show up on Google and YouTube, and AI tools like ClearScope and Surfer SEO do this heavy lifting for you. Think of these tools just like your secret weapon. They analyze what's working on Google, then they tell you how to tweak those blog posts or website content so it shows up higher. It's like following a treasure map. But instead of gold, you're digging up organic traffic. You can then offer your services doing this for small businesses anywhere. It doesn't have to be on Fiverr or Upwork. You can literally call up local businesses around where you live and offer those services. Every business out there wants to rank higher on Google. They want to get the attention. Attention is everything now. So if you can solve that problem for them, you are invaluable, and there is a lot of money to be made here if you can do it right. So my advice is learn about this. Call up your local businesses, offer your services. Once you know how to do this, go on Upwork and apply for jobs. Upwork is worldwide. It's not just locally, it's worldwide. There are jobs going on Upwork every single second. It is an incredible platform for finding work all around the world. Now, if you've heard of affiliate marketing before, you know it's a solid way to make passive income. Yes, the type where you're earning money while you're sleeping. Now, this is a real thing. You've just got to look at YouTube videos. So you see these links on these videos. Some of these are affiliate links. They will take you to somewhere like Amazon or the online shop of a certain company or brand. And if you then purchase something, that person on YouTube, that channel will make a commission, a certain percentage. And this truly is one of the best ways to make an income on YouTube, as well as ad revenue and brand deals. So AI takes this to the next level by helping you create product reviews, social media posts, and SEO content to promote those products. So here's an example. Let's say you love eco-friendly baby products. You can use tools just like these, SEMrush or Google Trends, to find what is trending right now. And then AI can write product reviews or create social media posts for you based on these. You then share that content, and every time someone buys something through your links, you get a commission. It really is that simple. But of course, you have to build this up. You know, if you're a new channel starting on YouTube, you're not necessarily going to get the amount of people that these big channels get. You know, you post a video and you get 10, 20, 100,000 views. You know, it really is an amazing way to make an income if you're getting that many views. But you've got to start somewhere. Start your business now, start your channel and grow it. Just like I'm doing. This is a new channel. I've had channels before. I've helped people grow many channels in 15 plus years that I've done video production. You've got to start somewhere. And you've got to start with your first video. It's probably not going to get any views, but just start creating. That's the most important thing. And then consistency. So dropshipping is another way to bring in an income without holding any inventory. And of course, AI can make this easier because it picks those winning products and then it helps you market them. So you know what people are buying. You know, this is the most important thing, right? You kind of want to jump on those trends of what people are searching for, what trends are going on right now. Or of course, if you want to sell a certain product, you want to be able to market that product efficiently. Once you find your product, AI can help you write amazing ad copy or product descriptions. And then the best part, you can then automate most of the business. AI chatbots can even handle customer questions. And tools like Obelow process orders is perfect for busy parents or anyone wanting to build their own business from home. AI really is a game changer. It makes things so much easier, so much smoother to run your business, especially when it comes to the things you don't really want to do that are mundane or boring. It just helps you to, you know, write a blog post if you're not really a writer, or it bores you, you know. I'm not a writer. I don't really want to write blog posts, but AI helps me to do that. So whether you're, you know, creating amazing art or affiliate marketing or drop shipping, use AI to help you out, especially if you've never done this before. It really will help you. You know, if you're a stay-at-home parent, use AI to help you out. So give one of these ideas a try. I'd love to know which one you have tried and how it went. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if this video has helped you out. Thank you so much.